Everyone, we are Team VIRAH and our problem statement is BIM integrated design of a 4-story commercial office building using Autodesk Revit. Our goal is to design a modern 4-story commercial office building that combines both architectural and structural design using Building Information Module or BIM approach in Autodesk Revit. The project demonstrates how BIM can completely transform the way buildings are designed, coordinated, and documented, making construction faster, more accurate, and much cost efficient. The main objective of our project is to develop a fully coordinated, clash-free model of a commercial building. We have aimed to complete both architectural and structural modeling, generate accurate quantity takeoff and construction drawings through through the Autodesk Revit software. Also to create a 30-second walkthrough for the realistic visualization. Our focus throughout was on integration, precision, sustainability, and smart design that we will be having. The innovation and uniqueness that we bring into this project is how it covers the entire BIM life cycle in one model. Here's how. The model supports architecture, structure, and MEP coordination together. Clash-free design checks in Revit will prevent any on-site conflicts that may happen. And parametric modeling allows instant updates, and also if any changes are there, it will be reflected immediately. And we will also have an automated documentation features that will ensure drawing sections and schedule updates in real-time data, right? And we also have added sustainable features such as natural lighting analysis, ventilation optimization. Overall, our design is future ready, capable of supporting green building certification, digital twin application, and scalable for larger of projects. Moving on to the technical approach, we have so there are certain feasibilities and viabilities that we will be working on, and the technical feasibility is of course this, but there are certain challenges and solutions that we will be facing. One is a software learning curve. We will be providing quick onboarding and shared learning sessions to make sure Revit tutorials and the team training is done efficiently. For overload of data and file side, efficient model management will be done. Also, BIM collaboration tools will be imposed to solve the coordination between architecture and structural problems, right? So with all this, we are sure that with the doability that we have, we are going to have a wonderful time here, right? Moving to the potential impacts and benefits. So our solution has multiple layers of impact. Socially, it will promote safer and more sustainable construction practice. Economically, it will reduce work material wastage and overall project cost. And educationally, it will help students gain industry relevant BIM experience. And the key benefits that I would mention, that it will include is improved quality, that will make it sure it creates a crash-free design, and it will ensure smooth construction plannings, time savings. The automation that we have included will speed up the documentation process, cost, and also massive cost reduction, because of which accurate quantity estimation, controls, material usage, all this will be done. In short, our project makes construction smarter, faster, and more reliable. Coming to the technical approach, right? So the major part here is the technical approach. Our execution process has followed a clear 6-step technical approach. First is the data collection and conceptualization. We assume the plot size created in zoning in massive and massing layouts in Revit following IS and NBC 2016 codes, right? And our architectural modeling, we design walls, windows, doors, floors, staircase, and other finishes in Revit architecture only. And coming to the structural modeling and analysis, columns, beams, slabs, and foundations were modeled in Revit architecture, ensuring proper code compliance. And coming to the BIM integration and clash detection, the architectural and structural models were linked and checked using Navisworks and BIM 360 to identify and resolve all the crashes. Documentation and quantity takeoff. From this single model, we automatically generated 2D plans, sections, elevations, and drawing and material quantity schedules. Coming to the visualization part, that is one of the most thing, we created a high quality 3D walkthrough to clearly communicate our design intents to our users, right? So let me, before ending, can I will just show you the prototype that we have. Right. So this is an example of a Revit architecture as seen. This is a 4-story commercial building that has been designed, right? uh, as mentioned, all the walls beams here are designed exceptionally to match the Revit architectural form. The first, we have designed the walls, windows, doors and floors, everything using Revit architecture, and then converted into a PPT format for better presentation. The columns and beams that you see here, also the slabs and foundations, also were done modeled in Revit architecture only, right? uh, each and every space of the office space has been done. We have also checked it using Navisworks and BIM 360 to identify and resolve all the crashes. So this is how our 4-story building, commercial building, will be looking like, which was made using Revit architecture. And we have certain points also, right? Why will we be using Revit? Right. So this is Autodesk Revit is a comprehensive building information model for software designed architects, engineers, and construction professionals. So with this, we are very sure that we are going to reach our targeted location, and possibly a wonderful thing. Right. And coming to the research and references, we have taken reference and references from all the major sources of reference. Right. Thank you very much. Uh, at last, I think I would end by telling that uh, to conclude, our 4-story commercial building design showcase how Autodesk Revit can bring together architecture, structure, and sustainability in one smart integrated system. It not only improves efficiency and collaboration, but also sets the foundation for future ready smart construction. We believe that our project reflects the true spirit of smart education and innovation under the Smart India Hackathon. Thank you, and we are Team VIRAH.